want it from the 0L ledger. So oftentimes, guys, there is this question raised that let's say we use different ledgers for different reporting principles or different regulations, right? Let's say we have a headquarter in US and we have a subsidiary in India or in Europe. Then we have one leading ledger following US GAAP, and then we have non-leading ledgers following individual countries, right? Now, in this setting, I'm saying I will transfer my values to the controlling from my leading ledger, right? So the postings that we do specific to non-leading ledgers or extension ledgers will not be reflected in my controlling side, right? So the controlling reports that are used by those specific countries will not have uh, the ability to show those values in those controlling reports. So this is kind of drawback that we have in the standard system. I believe there is like some kind of enhancements available if one really wants to do it and get the values from other ledgers also flowing into a controlling. But on the standard, this is how it is. And as far as I know, we like yeah, obviously like every uh, in every organization that I have seen, it's from your leading ledger, the controlling gets values, and that's how it is aligned, right? So to do that setup, or if let's say you want to assign some other ledger, you can do it. You have to come on this slide and just maintain your company code with the ledger from which it should get the value. Basically the version, right? So you can have another version defined with some other ledger, right? So let's say version 0 is following 0L. You can have version 1 with some other ledger, version 2 with some other ledgers, right? And so on and so forth, right?